I'm wondering from a leadership perspective, I'm a executive. Where should I put my priorities in terms of my digital investments to get the greatest return in things like efficiency, agility, and as you mentioned, revenue growth?
Right, right. So again, I think my advice would be to focus on competitive advantage just as much as optimizing cost. So focus on both sides, and to from a digital standpoint to enable decision making, data driven decision making, or AI driven decision making. The data has to be there. Like Naresh mentioned, the all the IoT sensors from manufacturing plant itself, but also the data from all your suppliers and suppliers limitations as well. If if we want to automate the decision making in end to end, we must first have the data in one place, and that is no simple job because we know some of our customers have very old systems that don't integrate well or don't have data import or export capabilities. So um, no need to rush, but the data needs to be in one place.
Mm.
And more so, that standardized um, rendition of that data, Naresh called that ontology, would actually be somewhat real time. And then you can make the decisions on it. And the second step, obviously, once you have the data in place, look at your decisions that are made with a report and an email or over a printed PDF, and try to automate them. Initially, even if you can predict something is about to happen, but later taking action in an automated fashion on an insight that your data just provided. That is the key, and it's a long process. You have to go step by step. Initially, even detecting alone will get you quite a bit. And finally, I want to add, with data and AI, we can also provide better experience, predictive experience for your customers. The self-service tools usually, or call centers, whichever way your customers communicate with you, the other side, the manufacturing side of the systems can actually predictably know what the customer might even be calling for. That that allows the manufacturers to serve their customers a little bit better, know things that are happening, just like the machine is about to break. Customer could also be about to churn in case they're not delivered the promised inventory, or delays in shipment, or any of such issues. These are all avoidable. And finally, I don't think automating it means the human sales driven, relationship driven business goes away. It just makes the humans more powerful when they have all data, when they know all about you. And finally, I would just say, even though in this world everything seems like it needs to be done today, it's good to have short-term strategies, but also focus on something mid and long term as well.
Mm.
That may take you a few years to standardize all data, or build standardized AI models on top. So don't try to rush.